So it's your girl, Travel with Tay Tay here again. So it's your girl, Travel with Tay Tay here. I am feeling much better, much better. My voice is trying to come back. We are here at Banjul Seaside again, picking up a sister. And it's just so exhilarating just knowing that I wanted to take the boat ride to meet her, but she was already on the boat. So I am going to take a boat ride, and I'm going to take y'all with me because you know I love water. Love it, love it, love it. Let me show you. Let me show you. I'm going to put this down so people don't think that I'm recording them. We got yelled at yesterday, so I'm going to keep it down. And then I'm going to go over here and show you the boat. So yesterday I was able to show you the power boat. The other one was out towards this way. So towards this way is where everyone are, and you know, people don't want to be recorded, and we have to respect that. So yes, so I'm gonna get in one of these boats and I'm gonna go way over to, I think, the land. You see the land? Way over there. Way over there. I'm gonna take a boat ride. Yes, because I love the water. And you know what's funny is they literally carry people. Like if people don't want to walk through the water, they carry them across. Like how amazing is that? That is, you know. And people always try to talk about our African brothers and sisters. Half of the Americans, real talk, half of the Americans can't even compete. Our American people are too damn lazy to do half of the things that our Gambian brothers and sisters are doing. But how many Americans are so quick to judge, right? So I love you all for real, for real. Thanks for watching Travel with Tay Tay. Please like, share, subscribe. Oh, comment.